Okay, what's up? The one and only Jairus J. Morgan here. Going to check out the warehouse to see how much, let me go see how much inventory we got. See how much inventory we got. Y'all see this? Oh, my buddies got the rails blocked. They doing work, but I know how to get around that. Just killing a little time while my machine is running. But see, look at all that paper, man. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. See all that paper? Look at all of that. Inventory. But we running pretty good though. See that? All of this. I'm on my trusty forklift. Tripping. Look at all of this. I got two machines running actually today. Look, check it out. I got that one running. I don't know if y'all can see it from here, but it's running. Watch, you might see it when it kick that merchandise out. But yeah, that one's running. It ain't running just as fast as the other one. I got the other one on kick ass. See this one right here? Yeah, I got this one kicking ass. Yeah. So, yeah, I got it kicking ass, man. Yep, you see it through there. Typical work for me, you know what I'm saying? Typical work. Okay, that was a quick run. Quick run, quick run, quick run. So I'm back in the front with my product. So, yep. All right. Going back to my work area. Look at this. That shit coming off the line, ain't it? Pretty fast, man. See, look. Here's the other machine. Remember when I told you I had two of them running? Yeah, this one. I'm kind of running two of them so I can go on break, maybe come back about 5 o'clock, then get off at 6 o'clock. Yeah, this one, I get it where it's not kicking so much ass, you know. It's just giving me quantity. The other one giving me super quantity. Yeah. So I got two of them going at one time. Whoa. Yep, see this one? So I got this one in kick butt mode. You know what I'm saying? Kicking butt. Kick it out. Boom. Pretty noisy too. Yeah. So I guess I'll get ready to go to break now. Go home and hang out on my computer. And eat me a salad or something. Going down the road. Okay, y'all. I'll be in touch later. Look at that. Look, all that shit finna fall off the rails. I'm bullshitting so much. All right, shalom, y'all.